In this video, we're going to look at how you can use the Google Classroom app to upload photographs of your child's work. The first step is to go to the App Store on your phone or tablet and install the Google Classroom app. Once you've got that installed, you'll need to log in using your child's password for Google, and then you'll get a list of their classes. At this point, you have a choice. You can either click on the menu up here, and then a really useful thing is you can click on the to-do list, and that will bring up a list of the assignments which have got assigned, which are sorted by when they're due, or if the teacher's forgotten to put a due date, they'll be listed in the no due date at the start. You can then click on the assignment from there. Alternatively, from the classes view, you can on the relevant class, and then you'll get into the class stream, and you might be able to spot the assignment there. If not, you can click on the classwork at the bottom, and then that will give you a list of all the assignments that have been set, and you can click on the assignment from there. Once you're in the assignment, then you want to click or touch on the Your Work at the bottom, and then you want to touch on Add Attachment, and then it will give you a choice. If you've already taken the photograph, you can choose Pick Photo, or the simplest is, if you haven't already taken it, you can use Camera. That will take you into the camera, take the photo as you normally. It gives you a chance to retake or use the photo, and then it will upload it to the Google Classroom. Finally, you will then have to touch on Hand In. It will give you confirmation that you want to hand it in, and you can touch on Hand In, and then you're done. If you realise that you actually needed to submit more than one photograph, you can then click on Unsubmit and add further photographs before submitting again. I hope you found this video useful.